So to reset the Ring Floodlight cam camera, what you need to do is you need to just press the top button for 30 seconds. So you're gonna have the button right there on the top. Then you just want to press it and hold it for 30 seconds, and then the Ring camera should reset. Now, this is the thing that I don't really like, because let's say that you have to actually, get the ladder, if you can have it on the top of your house, for holding the button for 30 seconds. Yeah, I don't really like that, to be honest, but it is what it is, and this is what is the procedure for actually resetting the Ring camera, the Floodlight. So I hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value, and let me down below in the comments if it actually helps. Personally, I would really like if there would be, let's say, it would be on the bottom, the button that you would like press with something, and then you could like reset it. But when it's in the top, it's even hard to if you would want to do it from the ground. You know what I'm saying, right? So this is something that I don't really like, but it is what it is. So on the top, you're gonna have this button right here, and you just want to hold it for 30 seconds, and then you should reset. So I hope it's going to help you solve the issue, and thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.